Do you have ice cream? Does Max like Oreo ice cream? He's getting it everywhere. Back up. Here, Max. Back up. Max. Max, do you want some more? Oh, you're going to lick it off the couch? Super. Thanks, buddy. Say, Max, do you want more? Can you wipe his mouth? Oh, that's a nice boy. Say, Max, do you want some more?
Branson is bursting with Ozark Mountain Springs, featuring a 3-month entertainment extravaganza with more than 40 special events. And for 2 days only, the world's first brings us over the best recipes and cooking.
Max, do you want the backside?
So ladies, grab your
Okay, I think that's enough for Max. He'd get sick.